Who's here? Who is this stranger? I think he's lost. Oh, you're rolling, you're rolling. Oh! Oh, shoot! Look who is back and resurrected. Dude, she clean.
She's not.
Dude, what's up, bro? What's up? I love those wheels.
Oh, the NKs?
Yeah, those are way better than your old one.
I know.
Wow. I like it, man.
I have to do some paint work on it.
Like how bad?
Like my door handles. There's a couple bumps and bruises on her.
So you didn't want to bite the bullet for Evo, huh?
I don't know.
Dude, this is way better than your old one. No, seriously.
It is.
Oh my gosh. I like it.
It's a lot cleaner. There's
Really?
no blow valve though, so I don't get the. I'm
No
gonna
spoolie?
put that. No spoolies.
Dude. Congrats. When'd you get her?
Tuesday.
You just. How did you find it?
Well, I found it on Facebook and I called the dude and he met me up Tuesday and we got it.
Dang. I approve.
Hey, check out these JDM seats though.
Let's see. Give me a tour.
Right? They look like normal STI seats.
Yeah.
Nah, this is a right-hand drive STI seat. So this is the driver's side and that's the passenger. How you move the seat forward?
Yeah.
It's on the other side.
Oh, it's right there.
So it's for a right-hand drive STI.
Oh, that's the RHD seats.
The dude was like,
Dude.
the original owner put him in.
Dude, this is nice, man.
I don't know.
Dude, your dash is like way no more Michael Jackson trim,
Nah.
bro. And he's got double din. Dude, she is nice. Way cleaner. You don't have to do so much work on this like the other one.
No, it's already lower too.
Dude, this is a steal. Dude, you're making me want to get a Subi now, man.
It's the blob eye too.
Jeebus.
Dude, it's weird though.
Freaking clean. How many? What year is this?
04.
2004. Jeebus. Again, we got Momo.
Bro, my cruise control works on here too.
The cruise control
I was
works.
using it. I didn't even know we had cruise control. Because my other one didn't.
What? And you got, does this actually work, this turbo gauge?
Yeah, that works.
Dude, man.
So it's
Look at that clean shift knob.
she's straight pipe.
Straight pipe, huh?
Yeah.
And I drive those Subi.
Dang. I don't know. I think you might want one after this.
How's your clutch? Is it pretty?
It's not as stiff.
Oh, it's not bad. It's
Yeah,
really nice.
it feels nice.
Okay. Look.
Yeah, I think you need a Subi, dog. Gen Subi.
Bro, everything is clean in this thing.
Yeah, man. It's pretty stock. I like it.
And she doesn't even have that much dents on it. These two, man. What's up? Like my Panda?
Looks like you got 3 wings. I'm missing one. That silver looks like it matches mine.
You want to put it on yours?
Yeah, let me see it real quick. Dang, the NKs are nice. I think you like them so much. Maybe we should trade for them TEs, dog.
I know, man. Maybe I'll sleep on it. We'll grab that. Let's see how this works, bro. Grab that Evo 8 wing.
Never been seen.
And it's actually pretty cool because it doesn't have the thing on those, so
Okay.
so you can just try to place it there.
Wonder if your the trunk is wider.
I told you guys this guy's going dark side. He's going Evo, bro. You know how many Subi guys are gonna be so mad at you right now?
Dude, I even got fins on top though. Dang. You sure it's not an Evo?
Well, he said he might get an Evo, so
Close enough.
Bro, I gotta take a picture of this.
Dude, that looks wild.
Hold on. If you're really gonna, I don't know. I don't know if I was gonna. Well, I don't know. It might sit well with this.
I know.
It really doesn't look bad, bro.
Bad. That's so funny.
Oh my gosh! You guys gotta check this out right here when you look at the front or the side view. Look at that. I mean, I know this is really controversial, but that's not bad at all. And look at that, it vibes with it.
Dude, it does. It's so bad.
Dude, if you're serious, you can keep the wing.
No.
I was just using it for instructional purposes.
I don't want my Subaru community to hate me.
Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna be. This is just for test, guys. This is just for
It's for fun.
for fun and entertainment
The
purposes.
funny thing is, it goes like the silver and the black on top of the black carpet.
I know him. You got silver, black.
And I got fins. I'm basically an Evo in disguise.
I gotta cover this up real quick.
Oh, she's getting cold, Kuya. Put on the covers, dog.
What's that?
She's getting cold. Put on the covers.
Dude. Let's see what we can do.
Bro, this looks so funny.
Yes, that's the easiest way to debadge something. This is a DIY for ow. Do not touch it, it's hot. Alright, bro, that's all you. You're a Uberu. You ready to Uber it up?
You're so bad. Someone must have been very angry because all these. Someone's like. I was just like, what the heck?
I didn't know that this is came stock with the WRX.
They don't.
So why does this have another one? The other one had another one. The other
Because the other guy added it and this guy added it.
one. They really like that kind of style vortex.
Look how
generator.
big they are.
Bro, I really love your car, man. 100%. It's like
It's better than my old one. Although it doesn't have that much fun parts in it, but I will put fun parts in it.
I really love it because it has this Evo wing.
Dude, get out of here.
That's kidding. No joke though. The wheels vibe. These are nice. 18.
Nah, these are.
They look 19.
They're 22s. Stock is 17. So I think they're 17.
They're 18s. See? Oh no, yours is 19. Yours is 18.
You stupid.
Here's my question. Why didn't you do the Evo?
It just felt different. I guess I'm not used to driving Evo.
Oh yeah.
Clutch was a little different.
Plus, I see you as a Subi good dude now,
What's
man.
that supposed to mean, dog?
It's like your platform.
Yeah, I like the
I really see you as a Subi dude.
I know.
But yeah, man.
Yeah.
She is clean. I love it. Making me want to get a Subi just for a project car. Like trade in my Prelude for a Subi.
Dude, you can get it for hella cheap. There's a dude selling one for 6,500.
Which one?
Blobeye.
Like this?
Yeah,
What color?
white.
I just want to say congratulations to,
Thanks,
to
man.
my Subi dude. My partner in crime.
I'm back on the streets. Still undefeated.
Still undefeated because he hasn't raced nobody yet.
Nah, because I didn't got a car.
But yeah, congrats, bro. Can't wait for her future build. Rolling out.
Alright, man.
All right,
See you next time.
Can't wait to see more of this car, man. Congrats. This is definitely an upgrade from your other one.
Even though it's older. I'm gonna speed by here.
Congrats, man.
Thank you.
Later, man. Wow. I gotta admit, that was one clean Subaru WRX. So happy for my bro. Yeah, that was more to come from him. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe.